Good afternoon, you lovely people. I've only gone and bought myself a house in the middle of Portugal. Claire and I, we've done it. That's the property. It doesn't need no structural work, it just needs a lot of paint and some work doing on the inside. That's all the barns and animal houses. Got two apartments there. They're both split. You've got the top and bottom. So we've bought ourselves a farm, a Quinta. That's a massive barn in there. So we've got orange trees, saxuma trees, peach, olive, apple, pear, grapevines, kiwis, pomegranate trees. We've got about 3 acres. But I won't talk for the minute, and I'll let you listen to the insects and the birds. There's a vegetable patch there. We've got a pond on here as well, and we've got 2 streams. We've also got a borehole, and we've got a well. So our border is that hedgerow right over there. And I do believe our border on the other side of the property is here. So we haven't got no neighbours at all. The only neighbours that we have got are working farms, but you hardly see anyone. We've got some huge ash trees here at the back, and we got loads of fig trees, God knows how many, loads of olive trees as well. There's the oak trees. We've got a little stream in here. And then we've got a load of olive trees here. Loads of them. So again, that's our border right along there. And our border along here. So all of this meadow here, we've got a lovely flower meadow here. I'm going to turn this into a food forest and plant loads of trees. All food, all fruits. This bush here, there's a pond in there, so all those trees are going to come out. And we're going to have a lovely pond. It's absolutely covered with flowers, birds, insects. So that's the wild flower meadow that we've got. And there's another stream along here. And this is our border, these trees along here. This little building here is the water pump, which pumps water from the pond and irrigates all the trees. There's a pond in there. It's absolutely huge. Can't wait to get in there. So, you lovely people, can you hear that bird? Beautiful. So as you can see in the distance, there's our property that we've bought. We're probably going to turn the top part of the property into our living quarters, and the bottom property will probably turn into a Airbnb, holiday apartments. Also, this is our land here as well. It goes right up to those trees at the back. We're thinking of putting a couple of yurts in here, or maybe a log cabin or something like that, just to get a bit of an income in for passing tourism, just to keep the coins coming in.